Is it gonna dump? It did! Tubby custard, tubby custard.
Let's go to JackJackPlays.
What are we gonna do today? We're gonna play with garbage trucks.
We can't play with all of them.
Why not?
Because that's too much.
Okay, yes, we have way too many garbage trucks. Did somebody say garbage?
No.
No? Yes, they did. Oh.
I think it's a lot.
It sure is. What are you doing?
I'm scooping up the garbage.
What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna put it. And we have a surprise egg.
We have a surprise egg. I don't see one.
Go
What are you gonna do with that truck?
Okay.
You're gonna get it. Is he carrying Lego garbage? There it goes. Dump. What broke? Oh no, we broke a piece off. Actually, this piece just came unsnapped and Daddy put it back on. It's time to keep the city tidy. Right, Jack?
Yeah, right. Garbage spaceship.
There's a garbage spaceship?
Yep.
Where does it take the garbage to?
It drops it off in garbage trucks.
There's a rocket that flies around and fills garbage trucks with trash?
Yeah, it flies around.
Don't forget the upper compartment too.
That's where recycling goes.
Oh, recycling goes in the upper chamber. Good idea. Keep that garbage separated. I would love to see the garbage rocket fill the garbage trucks. What do you think, kids? I think they'd like to see it too.
Let's open the hatch.
Opening the hatch. Jack's opening the hatch. What's gonna happen? The garbage is shooting out. You know it's a recycling truck, right, Jack? We're using it for garbage. Good job, garbage rocket. What a great garbage rocket. What's happening, Jack?
Help. Stop for the dog.
Does that garbage spin? You gotta really grind it.
Lemon. Oh, I'm supposed to.
Oh, you do it. Did I hear someone say more garbage?
No. Nobody said no more.
Oh. Sorry, Jack. Sorry, garbage truck. Jack doesn't like the new pieces of garbage.
Only small pieces. It's clogged in this garbage truck.
Oh, big Legos get clogged in that garbage truck.
So we can't put them in any garbage truck. If that garbage truck was in there, it doesn't fit either.
Oh my goodness.
Can't do it like this one doesn't fit, and this one doesn't fit, and this garbage truck.
What about in the garbage rocket?
Let's see. It does!
It does fit! What about in the recycling part of it?
It's gonna not fit. Let's see. It didn't. I told you.
Sorry.
It
It did fit. Oh, Daddy told you. It's a crazy garbage truck.
cleared it out of the way.
Good idea. What are you going to use?
A puller.
A telehandler.
I'm pushing this like a bulldozer. Does it look like it's clean here?
It sure is looking a lot cleaner.
In a cup. There you are.
A cup? Are you scooping it into a cup? What's
Yep.
going to happen with the stuff in the cup?
It's recycled.
All right. Whoops.
Whoopsie dub.
There it goes.
Let's see what this one is.
Got the engine on.
This is not real.
It's not real, it's a pretend engine, because it's a toy.
Yeah. How many? That plane is not going in.
We got it in.
The cup out. Upsie whoopsie. Upsie whoopsie. La la.
You've been watching Teletubbies. Yeah. It's a silly baby show. But kind of funny. This telehandler like the new. Tubby custard, tubby custard. Oh, you dumped it. You know, we have to just clean that up now.
No, we don't. Watch out.
It's like a piggy bank, but for Lego garbage.
Ah!
There it goes.
Pop, pop. See if it's gonna jump.
We do, we do, we do.
Turn that engine on.
All right, show the kids. Show the kids. Is it gonna dump? Is it gonna dump? It did. Yay. I think we have a lot more digging to do, don't we, Jack? A lot more garbage picking up. You want to say anything to the kids?
Dump it in this pile.
Yeah. Do you want to say anything to the kids?
No.
No, you don't want to say bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to give us a like and
Dub dive.
dub dive. I think that means subscribe in Jackanese, right?
Dub dive.
Bye, everybody.
Dive. Dub. He's like die.